Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this we are going to do the Wi-Fi speed test and the download test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, and in this video I'll try to use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi speed network only. Let's say using 2.4 GHz, how much high speeds we can actually get in these both phones, and what is the transmit link speed also present between these both phones, because that's also really important thing. And right now I'm not connecting any other device to the Wi-Fi connection. Let me try to disable everything. So no devices are connected to the Wi-Fi connection except these two phones. I think yes, this phone also got, yes, there's no Wi-Fi connection even in this phone. So let's see, using these two phones only connected to the 2.4 GHz network, how much speeds we can actually expect while downloading and while browsing speeds also. Let's go to the Wi-Fi connection first and show you that I'm connected into the 2.4 GHz network only. And in the 2.4 GHz, the advantage with the Realme GT Neo 2 is that you can actually get the 300 Mbps of transmit link speed. So a high transmit link speed is possible in the Realme GT Neo 2. So that means you'll get slightly better speeds, but don't get me wrong, even the iQOO 7 also got really good speeds, but still the transmit link speed will be about close to 78 Mbps, sometimes 144 Mbps is the maximum in the 2.4 GHz network. 2.4, so don't get confused. 2.4 GHz network. There's a difference between 2.4 and 5 GHz network. That's the reason I'm trying to mention before starting the video only clearly for you. Now let me to download this game at same time. Okay, this is a game size is of only 104 MB. It's very less size, not a big game. So 104 MB game only. And both are connected to the same 2.4 GHz network only. And we'll be able to see the download speeds. So both phones, how they are actually downloading. In case, if you want me to do this kind of comparison with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below with what phones you want me to compare, download. Definitely I'll try to do the comparison test. Let me try to start at same time all the phones. I mean stopwatch and this both, 1, 2 and 3. So I did click at same time and both phones, I did click at same time as well. And both are taking their time to download, and you can see clearly the phone which has got the higher transmit link speed will be able to grab much of the Wi-Fi. As you can see, friends, clearly what is happening at this moment exactly. So this is the one advantage which I'm trying to mention from very long time. The connectivity in the Realme GT Neo 2 has got slight advantage. Even with the 5G, even with the 4G plus, even with the Wi-Fi connection. So this doesn't mean the iQOO 7 has got anything problem, but little bit you can expect slow. When both phones are downloading, you can see the download speed is slightly slower in the iQOO 7 device. So that's the reason I'll try to do the individual download test as well. Let's do the individual download test. So when you're trying to use both phones, the Realme GT is the winner, okay? Individual test, let's do. So individual I'm trying to do, only iQOO 7 is connected to the Wi-Fi network and it's downloading at this moment, and you will be able to see the speeds as well and the Wi-Fi signal strength. You can look at the speeds, it's kind of close to 4.5 Mbps speeds I'm getting. And 6 Mbps of speeds, and 100%. It's taken some time to show installing. Now it's installed. 32 seconds of time, total time the iQOO 7 took completely to show installing. Okay, now let's see what happens with the Realme GT Neo 2. Try to look at the download speeds on the notification, how quick it is, how much high. Can clearly see, friends, how much difference it's making in terms of the higher transmit link speed. As you can see, installing it showed around 15 seconds and off of the time. So this is what the difference can be there if you're trying to connect to the same Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz network. These are download speeds we got. So now if you leave this download speeds, what happens to the speed test results? Let's see the speed test using the speed test application which is available, and both should be connected to the same kind of servers. Yes, both are connected to the same servers, and let's start the test at same time. So no other phone in my room is connected to the same 2.4 GHz fence apart from these two phones, so no need to worry. I did disable every connection possible in my home. So doing speed test at same time in both phones, these are the results which we got. And upload speeds, we are getting around close to 50-60, no problem. After this, I'll try to do the individual test as well. So individually we get slightly kind of different results when you try to do individual test. So let's do the individual test. What happens? Let's see. Let's try in the iQOO 7. So connected to the same Wi-Fi network, okay? Same 2.4 gigahertz only it's connected. And we're getting the speeds about close to 30, 35, 40, 50. It's slowly increasing. It can actually come up to 90 and Mbps as well, but it's kind of slowly increasing. It's not instant going. It's not like this. Upload speeds are going instant, but the download speeds, you can see what is happening. And same Wi-Fi network, same 2.4 gigahertz only I'm trying to use. And the transmit link speed still, I think it's around 144. As you can see, 144 is the highest. So I did show you, right? 144. That's the highest, yes. It cannot go more than that. In the 2.4 gigahertz, I'm trying to mention, in the 2.4 gigahertz, this is the highest I think iQOO 7 can reach. You can see the speed meter, how it's going, like instant, like zoom, like bike racing. When you give the race, it's reacting immediately. 93 Mbps of speed. So you can see try to look at the speed meter, friends. You'll be able to understand easily what is happening with the difference between these both phones. It's finished. The test is finished. 93.3, 93.4. And same network, same 2.4 gigahertz only. Okay, same 2.4 gigahertz only. In same location, I'm trying to use same Wi-Fi router, but slightly. And the signal strength is higher in the Realme GT, and even the iQOO 7 also got a higher signal strength. Both phones high signal strength and a high power, but still these are the results we are getting. So this is a complete test I did using only 2.4 gigahertz network only. So that's it, friends. This is a quick sample which we got. You might be wondering, if I try to use different fast application, what happens? Let's try to use different application. There's nothing wrong in trying different applications. So let me try to select the fast application which is here. I'll need to not use this one first because I'm trying to run over there. In the fast application is showing, I think 24. Let's see how much the speeds this phone can actually detect. So we're getting 50, 51, 50. We're getting the iQOO 7 device, not bad. 52, 52. Now let's check in the Realme GT Neo 2 using same Wi-Fi network, how much high the Realme GT Neo 2 can actually get. High speeds. So it's also reaching 51. But again, it started to increase little by little. It's going up to 80, 90. Using this application also, you can see the difference. Same Wi-Fi network, same location, at same time I'm trying to do, different results we are getting. So this is what I thought of conveying to you all, and that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and definitely this might help other users who are actually planning to buy. For the connectivity sake, if you ask me which phone I'll try to prefer, I'll prefer the Realme GT Neo 2. For the connectivity, I'm trying to mention connectivity, not any other case. See you in the next video, unless state of more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.